YouTube? It's been a hot minute, and I apologize. I'm not gonna go over all the extra shit. Y'all know me, I hate the winter. But today's a good day. The weather is getting good, so it's time to put action. Start doing some action, feel me? So today we're gonna mount the rims on the tires. I'm currently late, you feel me? But I had to take care of some stuff. So I'm gonna load these tires up and the rims into the car. We're gonna head over to my boy's shop. We're gonna get them mounted and see what they look like. Once I get in the car, I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit. But for the most part, let me load these up and get dressed, man. All right, I'm gonna see you in a few seconds. All right, YouTube, so the car is loaded up. All of the tires are loaded up, the rims are loaded up. These are ear sounds right there. Got the tires in the back, we got the other two in the trunk. If y'all want to know what the rims look like, I reviewed them like, I want to say last year, if I'm mistaken. They're short on the channel. If you look at the channel, you can see it. But either way, the summer's coming up. The weather's getting way nicer. It hasn't snowed, so that's a good part. It's time to put some time to get some action going, actually. I've been sitting on these damn rims for about a year, bro. I'm tired of looking at them. I just got the tires last, like, couple months ago. I've been sitting on the coilovers also for like a year, bro. Like, literally everything. The accident really slowed everything down. But I just been chilling for the most part due to the weather. But for everything else, bro, we gotta get action going. I'm tired of waiting. I ain't got no patience no more, bro. It is what it is. We just gonna get everything going, and we gonna see where it comes from there. Cause in the summer's coming up, we got rollers, picture days, events, all that shit to go to and get prepped for. So we gotta do what we gotta do right now, bro. I'm not about to waste no more time. What I was gonna say to you. Oh, for those who want to know, the rims are 19 by 9.5. The tires are 235, 35, 19. We're gonna see what it look like. So a lot of people saying it's gonna stretch, a lot of people say it's not gonna stretch. So we're gonna see what it look like. I'm just ready to throw these shits on. After these are mounted, not even mounted. Yeah, after I mount them to the tires, I'm gonna ceramic coat them, and then I'm gonna try to drop the car in like the next 2 weeks, or next week actually. So we gonna really be putting pep in the step, feel me? So I'm gonna get to the shop and I'm gonna talk to y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what the process is mounting the tires, man. I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. Out. So we at the shop. Shout out to my boy Carlos, do the shop. Shout out, my boy.
Yo, shout out to Mel's Road Solution.
Yeah.
Come see me.
My boy did a nice job, my boy. 19's 9.5 on the 235, 35, bro. Oh my God. You got 3 more to go. Tires right. Come get your balance in. Come get your tires mounted. You know what I'm saying? Come get your car fixed. Whatever you need, my boy. Whatever you need. Alright, so here we go, guys. 19 by 9.5 on 235, 35, man. That's what they look like. They looking real good, man. Oh my God, it's so sexy. But that's what they look like, y'all. Look hella good. I can't wait to put them on the car. So, yeah, my basement ain't the best, but whatever. I'm gonna clean these up, get them prepared for ceramic coating. I'm gonna wrap them back up, cover them and all that, and then next week we drop the car. So we get a lot of shit going, man. Summer's coming up. My birthday's next month, so we literally gotta put a pep in the step so we can be on track for everything. You feel me? So thank y'all for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next video, man. I'm out.
I just like the sound.